Hi, Jeff Bangerter back with you. All right, I got the big one here for you. It's too expensive. The reverse mortgage is just too expensive. Well, it's true. It is rather expensive. You don't pay any of the money out of your pocket, though, or very little. You got to pay for a HUD counseling certificate and maybe get the appraisal done. So you're looking at maybe $400 or $500 out of pocket at most. The rest of this is all going to come out of the equity of your house, so in reality, it's just less money that your children are going to inherit, right? But I want to talk about the actual cost, because it's too expensive compared to what? I see all these newspaper articles or internet ads, really, from different news organizations, and everybody's talking about how this is too expensive and, somebody's going to get rich doing this for you. Well, let's talk about it. It's 2% of your home value up to the maximum lending limit, which is actually going up November 1st, 2008, to $417,000 that the federal government gets paid. So you could be looking at about $8,000 going to the federal government to insure this for you. There's nothing I can do about that charge. And by the way, you don't pay for that out of your pocket. It's coming out of your equity. And then there's the loan origination fee. That's how me and all my loan officers get paid, and how I pay my staff to do this for you. Of course, we don't work for free. Nobody else I know does either, and I'm sure you didn't while you were working. But it's 2%. And again, coming November 1st of 08, it's 2% of the first $200,000 of home value. Then it goes to 1%, capped at $6,000. So if your home is worth $417,000, you're looking at $6,000 in charges there. And then you have all the normal real estate fees, the appraisal, credit report, and all the other things. Those are usually going to be about $2,500. And then in Florida, unfortunately, and the only state I know that this does occur, is that you guys have a recording tax, and an intangible tax, so you're going to spend another $2,500 or more. It's based on the value of the mortgage too. So that could be significant. But the bottom line is, so you're looking at maybe $15,000, $18,000 on the high side. If your home is only worth $200,000 or $100,000, these fees are going to only be maybe $8,000 or $10,000. But you're not paying any of it. It's just money that you're not going to get right now. And let's look at all the alternatives. So too expensive compared to what? You could sell your house, and in fact, that's what some of these news journalists tell you to do. Sell your house. All right, well, that's 6%. So that's about the same as what we charge to do this, right? And, oh, by the way, when you sell your house, what are you going to do then? You're going to move in with your kids? Are you going to live on the street? Are you going to go rent? What are you going to do? It's going to cost you more than just the 6% to sell your house. You're going to start having payments somewhere, or you're going to lose your freedom and have to move in with somebody. So compared to what? Too expensive compared to what? And I will see other people, well, you could get just a home equity loan. Great, you could get a home equity loan, and the banks will do it for free for you. Of course, the very next month you have a payment to make. So you do an equity line with the bank, and you start paying $500, $600, $800, $1,000 a month, whatever it is. So in just a year or two, you've paid more in actual dollars out of your pocket than it cost the reverse mortgage, which, of course, none of the money came out of your pocket. I mean, I just don't even get that when people think this is too expensive. You're not paying it out of your pocket. It's like monopoly money. In effect, it's equity in your house you can't use anyway. There's only three things you can do. Fourth one is do nothing. You can sell your house, right? You can get a reverse mortgage and have no payments. You can get a regular mortgage and have payments, or you can do nothing. And let's talk about the do nothing. You could sit there and not do any kind of a mortgage and not use the equity in your house, and then what did it cost you? Well, you didn't get to go on the cruise, you didn't get to get the new car, you didn't get to help the kids, you didn't get to enjoy your life. So there's a cost, it's just not dollars and cents. And so I think you have to really ask yourself and really look at this. It's not money out of your pocket, it's less equity in reality that you're going to leave to some heirs. And so, too expensive compared to what? You got to decide for yourself. Anyway, I hope that helps. We try to shoot straight with you. We will absolutely tell you over the phone exactly how much money you can get and exactly how much it costs to do the reverse mortgage. We don't hide anything from you. Give us a call. Be happy to help. Thanks.